Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us.
Hi everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm making a cherry cream cheese pie, and this is another recipe from our holiday food series. And this is the easiest little pie you'd ever make, and it's really a great little pie. My family really loves it. I've been making it for years for our family and my children. If I don't make it at any occasion, they always say, "Where is the cherry cream cheese pie?" And so I have to remember to make it just about any time we have a gathering. And so the ingredients is sweetened condensed milk, cherry pie filling, 1/3 cup of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and cream cheese. So let me get over here to my sand mixer and get started on this easy pie. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is add in my cream cheese. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add in my Eagle brand milk. Okay. Okay, next I'm going to add in my 1/3 cup of lemon juice. And my 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavoring. Okay. Now then, I'm going to pour it in my pie shell. I can smell that lemon in this pie. It smells great. Okay. And smooth this all out now. And I'm going to chill this for about several hours before I put in my cherry pie filling on top. Hi everyone, I'm back, and my pie's been in the refrigerator chilling for about 4 hours now. So I'm going to put on my cherry pie filling, and when I do this, I'll put it back in the refrigerator, and me and Calvin is going to cut this tonight while we're watching the World Series. And this pie is a delicious pie and very easy to make. Okay, here's my cherry pie, and I'll be back later tonight to do the taste test. Hi everyone, it's the next day, and I'm back to do the taste test, and our favorite team won the World Series last night, so we're all happy about that. And I didn't get to do the taste test last night, and so this pie has set up overnight, and that's the best way for these pies to make really good, is let them set up overnight. And it's best to use the good ingredients, the Philadelphia cream cheese, and not the Great Value. I mean, you can use Great Value, but it's better to use the good cream cheese. So let me do my taste test. That is really delicious. Calvin, you want to do a taste test?
I sure do. I've already had one piece, but I'm ready for another. Have I got a fork?
You sure do.
I'll do it on camera. They probably can't see me because I didn't set the camera up. That's very delicious. I'll stoop down a little bit so maybe they can see me. Super delicious. You've been making this for years, Marie. And I just love it every time. It's probably one of my favorite pies.
Yeah.
And everybody in the family loves it too.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll let you finish the video up.
Okay. Okay, I think Calvin said it all. This is a real good pie, isn't it, Calvin?
Absolutely.
It's good and creamy, and it's just an easy pie to make during the holidays. And our family, like I said, they really love it. But it's, like I said, it's best to use the good ingredients in it and not the Great Value. Some Great Value stuff is all right to use, but in this pie, I would recommend using the Philadelphia cream cheese. So y'all, I'm going to close this video out now, and so y'all do what you love and love what you do, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye, and y'all have a great day.
Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. mistletoe while Santa's busy saying ho, ho, ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then